So guys, welcome back to a new video of Crypto Game Strong. So in this video we are gonna quickly have a analysis video of Ethereum, right? So we have a lot of volatility going on the Ethereum chart. Something unusual can be seen on the lower time frames of Ethereum. That's what is the reason behind creating this video abruptly, right? Just let's get started without any further delay. So as you can see, I have the daily time frame of Ethereum on the chart. So clearly it is an absolutely massive channel pattern breakout after the price is bottoming out near the mark of 2900. So yes, the structure seems to be pretty strong enough, right? If by any chance I open the 15 minutes time frame, you can see a huge gap up getting printed on the ether chart, right? So this is quite unusual. I am personally not even sure of why this is created, but again seems to be a huge manipulation on the crypto charts, right? So again, if you quickly look at BTC, so BTC has also created a similar kind of a price action. It has almost touched the mark of 70,000, which is an again very good milestone for the whole crypto market, right? So positionally we have updated our Ethereum targets till the level of 4,000 for the short term, and in case of BTC we have increased it to the all-time high, which turns out to be the level of 73,800. All right, so yes, this is an absolutely bullish market that we are currently operating on, and do keep an eye on the altcoins which are currently range bound right now, because we can of course see a very massive rally in them as BTC and Ethereum stabilizes at the higher levels. So yes, this was the update. ETH dominance was falling down like crazy for a hugely long time, and today all of a sudden it has gone upwards by a huge amount, which is somewhere around 5.6%. So again, this is a massive tail for the whole crypto market. In the same way, if you happen to look on the ETH BTC coin pair, again what we can see is a clear increase in the price of this as well, nearly 6% upside on the ETH BTC chart, right? So yes, so again Ethereum is clearly outperforming as opposed to the Bitcoin. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, again a similar kind of a pattern can be observed as Bitcoin dominance has come down by nearly 1%. So yes, the market sentiments have changed a lot. It seems like the short sellers are getting trapped like anything, but again we have to wait for a proper daily closing. Until then, things may remain dicey. Just the way the market has gone up, it can again give a good retracement. Remember guys, this is crypto, this is not the Indian market or the US market you are operating on. Anything can happen here. So I hope the view is clear guys. Ethereum as of now is the champion for us. If you look at something like Solana, so again Solana is also heading higher for its all-time high target. In our last video of Chainlink, we had updated that, yeah, this is looking quite good and it can positionally be held for the target of 25. So yes, the price prediction seems to be going on well. The market has again gone up by nearly 4-5% from our entry zone, and again we are holding Link in huge quantity for the short term target of 20. So I hope the things are clear. Ethereum, you can of course look forward to building positions here. Once we get a proper daily closing, just keep on buying on dip. That should be your theme for the next couple of months, whether it comes down to BTC or Ethereum. All right, and of course from here, if Ethereum continues to head upwards strongly and the BTC consolidates in our given range somewhere around 70,000 to 71,000, then of course we can observe the altcoins to head higher in the upcoming few weeks by a huge quantity, and that's what is going to signal the initiation of the next big bull run. So I hope the things are clear, guys. This was a very quick update. Thank you so much for being here at this time of 2 a.m. IST. So yes, we are again gonna come back tomorrow. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.